Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BOSE 700NC headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily check your tips section. At first we have to click on our application and wait a moment. Now we have to click on our headphones and scroll down. Here we can click on tips and here we have voice assistant, touch control, phone calls or noise cancellation. For example, I want to see touch control. Double tap the front or the right ear cup to play or pause audio. Change volume, skip forward, skip backward. Hear the battery level. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.